Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadia and I am currently an active student at the Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia, majoring in accounting and now in my first semester. I live in Bandar Lampung, a vibrant city full of colors, where I study and develop myself. I was born in Mesuji, a place that not only holds memories of my childhood but also plays an important role in shaping who I am today. I'm currently 20 years old and I am in the process of building my future through education experience and self-exploration. I create this video as a form of digital resume to introduce myself more broadly, not just based on my personal data or educational background, but also on my personality, interests, and future aspirations. I believe everyone has a unique story, and every step we take helps shape the person we are today. I want to use digital media as a way to introduce myself, expand my network, and build a better future. In today's digital era, I believe it's important to have a personal digital profile that can represent one's abilities, personality, and potential. That's why I want to take this opportunity to present a complete picture of myself. Through this video, I hope that anyone who would watch will get to know me better, both personally and professionally. One of my greatest passions since childhood has been reading. For me, reading is not just a hobby, it's a necessity. Books and articles are my windows to the world, a place where I discover new knowledge, fresh ideas, and these first perspectives. I enjoy reading motivational books, self-development articles, inspiring stories, and anything related to accounting and finance. Reading has taught me many lessons that I couldn't find in the classroom, such as how to develop a strong mindset, think critically, and understand the meaning behind failure and success. In addition to reading, I'm also very interested in digital technology. I love exploring applications and platforms that support learning, ranging from time management apps and personal finance trackers to learning platforms. I often spend my time watching educational videos on YouTube and other platforms, especially those related to accounting, taxation, digital economics, and career development. This habit helps me stay updated and increase my knowledge independently. Lately, I've also been trying to write and create simple digital content. I've started drafting learning notes and creating digital summaries of my course materials. Although still in the early stage, I hope to develop this into a platform for sharing knowledge in the future. These hobbies not only help me stay productive but also keep me focused on my goals. I come from a humble family and from a young age, I was taught to value education. My parents have always emphasized that education is the key to better future. That mindset has become my greatest motivation to pursue higher education. I went to school in Lampung and a science middle school. I been interested in subjects like economics and mathematics. The combination of the two subjects first sparked my interest in accounting. When I came time to choose the college major, I had no doubt about taking accounting. I think accounting has a vast and essential field in the working world. It's not just about recording numbers, it's about understanding financial condition, preparing reports for decision making, and ensuring accountability and transparency in organization. Through accounting, I've gained a clear picture of how the business and the financial world operates. At the Universitas Teknokrat Indonesia, I've taken many challenging yet exciting courses that strengthen my logical and analytical thinking. Some of my favorite courses include financial accounting, accounting information system, taxation, and management accounting. Each course had opened my mind to the importance of accounting, not just within companies but also for external stakeholders like investors, the government, and society. In my daily life, I am known as a calm, detail-oriented, and responsible person. I'm not the type to always stand out in public, but always make sure that my tasks are complete strictly and on time. I believe that consistency is more important than just first impression. In the accounting world, precision and accuracy are crucial. I'm grateful that my personality supports this. I also consider myself an adaptable person. In college, I've often been assigned to various group for project and presentation, and I've been able to work well with many types of personalities. I learned to listen, understand different point of view, and find compromises in resolving issues. I believe these soft skills are vital for any workplace. Additionally, I have strong curiosity. I don't like staying confused for long. If I don't start understanding something, I'll keep searching until I do, whether through books, the internet, or asking my lecturer and classmates. This desire to learn pushes me to keep improving and not settle for what I already know. During my studies, I've been actively involved in academic activities like group discussion, class presentation, and collaborative projects. I was once part of team as tasked with analyzing the financial reports of a small business as a final project. That experience taught me how to apply classroom theory to a real-world situation. I also learned time management, how to divide tasks fairly, and the full value of teamwork. Outside of classes, I participated in several online seminars on training sessions on topics like personal finance, digital accounting, and career development. I believe it's important to keep learning outside the standard curriculum. Science. The professional world demands more than just good grades. I want to equip myself with practical skills that will support my future career. I also had the opportunity to be involved in a student effort entrepreneurship project where I helped a fellow student business with basic financial reporting. Even though it was a small task, the experience showed me how accounting directly influences business decisions. It further reinforced my belief that accounting is not just about numbers, it's about impact and value. During my times as a university student, I have realized that discipline and time management are the main keys to surviving and growing in academic life. Not everything can become accomplished instantly, and accumulation of assessment requires me to be able to set priorities. I started getting used to creating daily schedule, noting assessment deadlines, and dividing my times between class, independent study, and other activities. This habit has made me more organized and less prone to panic when facing multiple academic demands. I'm also very grateful to have a family that always supports my educational journey, although I do not come from a wealthy background. My parents have always encouraged me to keep learning. This taught me the values of hard work and patience. The example set by family has helped me remain resilient and motivated to always do my best no matter the challenge I face. Of course, my journey has not always been been smooth. I have experienced difficult moments such as pressure during exam, trouble understanding certain subjects, and a lack of confidence when speaking in public. However, from each of those challenges, I have learned not to be afraid of failure and instead treat it has part of the learning process. I began to build self-confidence by practicing more, asking for feedback from lecturers or friends, and improving myself based on past mistakes. For me, being a university student is not just about attending classes and getting grades. More than that, it means preparing myself for a more responsibility life and future. I believe this is a crucial transitional phase in my life, from being a teenager to becoming a mature individual ready to face the works and social life. That is why I strive to make the most of a university years as a strong foundation to achieve my future goal. I believe that everyone has their own life goals. For me, the ultimate goal is to bring value to others through the knowledge of process. I want to be someone who not only achieve personal success but also help others grow, especially in the areas of financial literacy and small business development. In the short term, I am to graduate with strong academic results, develop practical accounting skill, and build a professional portfolio that will support my career. I also want to expand my network by connecting with professionals and learning for their journey. In the long run, I dream of becoming a professional accountant or auditor working for a reputable national or international company. I also aspire to pursue a master's degree, perhaps in accounting or financial management, to deepen my expertise and broaden my perspective. Additionally, I have a vision of building a digital learning platform focused on accounting and finance for young learners. We live in a fast-paced world where technology evolves rapidly. I want to be someone who can adapt to those changes. I am particularly interested in exploring technology-driven accounting such as ERP system, big data in accounting, and the use of AI in auditing. These are great opportunities that accounting students today should take seriously. I also want to work on building my digital personal brand. Nowadays, many companies look for candidates through social media and professional platforms like LinkedIn. That's why I've started creating my digital portfolio, sharing ideas, and posting educational content about accounting, study motivation, and study life tips. I believe strong and a positive digital presence can open my door in the future. That's why a brief talk introduce about myself. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video until the end. I hope everything I've said can give you a clear picture of who I am, what I strive for, and where I want to go. My way of continue learning, growing, and bringing value to others. Starting with the little things we do today. Thank you once again. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.